Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper 1996. So let's start. Bear out. It means to support or confirm the truth or validity of something. यानी किसी चीज़ की सच्चाई या सदाकत की तायीद या तस्दीक करना. Example sentences. The evidence presented in court bears out the defendant's innocence. Back out. It means to withdraw from a commitment or agreement, to fail to keep a promise or obligation. यानी किसी अहद या मुआहदे से दस्तबरदार होना या वादा या जिम्मेदारी को पूरी करने में नाकाम रहना. Example sentences. She promised to help organize the event, but at the last minute she decided to back out. Carry over. It means to retain or continue something from one situation or period to another. इसका मतलब है किसी चीज़ को एक हालत या मुद्दत से दूसरी हालत में बरकरार रखना या जारी रखना. Example sentences. Her enthusiasm of learning carried over from school to the weekends as she spent hours reading and exploring new topics. Come off. It means to succeed or to happen as planned. यानी कामयाब होना या मंसूबाबंदी के मुताबिक कोई चीज़ होना. Example sentences. He worked hard and in the end everything came off just as he had hoped. Fall back. It means to retreat or withdraw often from a challenging or difficult situation. यानी पीछे हटना अक्सर किसी मुश्किल सूरत हाल से. Example sentences. When the enemy forces became too strong, the soldiers had to fall back to a more defensible position. Figure out. It means to understand or solve a problem through careful thought or analysis. यानी मुहतात सोच और तज्ज़िये के ज़रिए किसी मसले को समझना या हल करना. Example sentences. After a few hours of studying, she finally figured out the complex math problem. Learn to live with. It means to accept and adapt to a situation, especially one that is challenging or unpleasant. यानी किसी सूरत हाल को कबूल करना और उसके मुताबिक अपने आप को डालना, ख़ास तौर पर वो जो कि मुश्किल या नाखुशगवार हो. Example sentences. He had to learn to live with the fact that he did not get the promotion. Set in. It means to begin and continue. यानी शुरू करना या जारी रखना. Example sentences. The winter has set in and the temperature is dropping rapidly. Cover up. It means to conceal or hide something, often to prevent the truth from being known. यानी किसी चीज़ को छुपाने के लिए, अक्सर सच को जानने से रोकने के लिए. Example sentences. When the politician was caught in a scandal, he tried to cover up the details to protect his reputation. Iron out. It means to resolve or settle difficulties or problems, to smooth out or make things clear. यानी मुश्किलात या मसाइल को हल करना या चीज़ों को वाज़ेह करना. Example sentences. After a long discussion, the team managed to iron out their differences and reach a consensus on the project strategy. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.